Can AI replace teachers? Hi everyone, I'm your teacher Tanya. Artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm. Everyone's talking about it. Being an English language trainer myself, I often found myself wondering, can AI replace teachers? This has been happening ever since ChatGPT gained popularity. So I thought, why not ask some of our teachers and see what they think about this? By the way, this video is brought to you by Enguru Spoken English app. Enguru offers live classes every day, interactive sessions, expert Enguru teachers, and a certificate from Enguru. So, to continue learning, download the Enguru app from the Play Store today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Presenting to you are fabulous Enguru teachers who will answer the burning question, can AI replace teachers?
So, can AI replace teachers? I don't think so. While AI can help you to get solutions for your problems, it cannot really simplify those solutions. It cannot help you understand them. That only a teacher can do. At the same time, teaching learning happens when the learner is able to practice and the teacher is able to aid the learner. AI cannot do that. And so I feel that AI can never replace teachers.
As far as I can tell, the answer to that question is both yes and no. I asked the same question to ChatGPT and here's what it had to tell me. It said, while AI technology is advancing rapidly, it is unlikely to completely replace teachers in the foreseeable future. Teachers provide personalized guidance, feedback, and support to students. They adapt to individual learning styles and foster social and emotional development. I agree with this 100%. The human touch of guiding students towards the answers that they're looking for can only be provided by teachers in classrooms. Now let's dwell on the yes part of my answer. Our jobs can be replaced, but not by ChatGPT or any other AI systems. It will be replaced by other teachers who know how to use these systems to enhance learning experience for their students. So, it's important for us to look at it as not AI systems versus teachers, but to partner with these systems to enhance learning experiences for our students.
My opinion is that I feel teaching is not merely just a profession, it is more than that. It's all about enhancing the knowledge of students, mentoring them, guiding them, considering their thought processes and ideas, and empathizing with them, which I find will be a little difficult in case of AI, isn't it? So, in my opinion, I feel that AI will not replace teachers in future, but in case it replaces, it shall be a little difficult to sustain in the long run.
My take on this is, while AI can definitely provide all the data that's required, well, I as a teacher have to authenticate it, isn't it? Also, the provided data has to be taught to the student, and for that, empathy and training of a teacher is required. So it is safe to say that both can peacefully coexist, while AI is there for the teacher and student as a tool to utilize it during learning process.
I believe AI can replace anybody and anything in the world, but when it comes to teaching, AI can definitely replace the content that we teachers teach, but AI could never replace the affection which teachers give to the human beings, the way teachers cater to the needs of every individual and help people grow, help them to understand how can we come out of our low, how can we be really the better individuals, the human beings. AI could never do that.
Intelligence can never replace teacher because teaching requires emotions which machines cannot provide. Like when the children come, when the teachers teach, it requires a lot of emotions.
AI is a machine capable of giving any amount and every type of data. But it's just that, a machine. Education is about nurturing young minds to face whatever life throws at them and be ready for the future. They need guidance, patience, understanding to create an atmosphere of learning. not machines to drill more information into their overloaded minds.
While artificial intelligence has made significant advancement in recent years, it is unlikely that it will completely replace human teachers in the near future. While AI has the potential to enhance and supplement the work of teachers, it lacks in emotional and social intelligence that is necessary for providing effective teaching and learning. Teaching is not just about imparting knowledge, it is also about fostering critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills in students. In summary, while AI continues to play an increasingly important role in education, it is unlikely that it will replace teachers completely in the near future. Instead, AI will likely be used to enhance and support the work of teachers, enabling them to provide more personalized and effective learning experiences.
Now that you know what our teachers think about it, we'd love to hear your opinions too. Why don't you head over to our comment section and write your thoughts there while we get back to you. With this, we come to the end of today's video. We'll be back soon with another informational video. Until then, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.